YouTube, it's me, Dr. P, and I am back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I have some baked chicken with some broccoli and rice. So, it's been a while. I haven't made a video in a long time. Last time I think I recorded a video, it was Girl Scout season. And that's why I haven't been making any videos, which I probably should have been recording, but it's a lot when cookie season come about. It's still Girl Scout season, but we have 2 more meetings before it's the end of our season. I have 5 girls bridging into, this chicken is so tender. This is so good. Bridging into cadets. So, if you don't know what that means is they are graduating from juniors to cadets. And they are transferring because they are now 6th graders. Well, they're going to be going to the 6th grade in September. This
Mommy,
is so good.
I promise I won't waste your food.
Okay. That's my baby, Chase.
I promise I won't waste your food.
This chicken is so tender. I baked it. I made this rice with some broccoli. Real tender. I am trying to make my nephew's basketball game today. He has a basketball game. So me and my kids are gonna go to his basketball game.
Yes.
And we want to watch his game, watch him play. I'm gonna record it and add some clippings. Share his basketball game with y'all. I have been so busy with Girl Scout. We actually spent the night at the mall for Girl Scout. Mall Frenzy. So 5 of my girls in my troop spent the night at the mall. It was really nice. And it was a great experience for the girls. It was a good experience. I actually enjoyed it. Myself. They had different activities for the girls to do. They had it was scavenger hunt. There was a lot of stores open in the mall. Claire's was open. Box Lunch, Hot Topic. What other stores? There was a lot of stores that was open. What you say?
Savvy Sliders.
Savvy Sliders was open. It was a lot of restaurants that was open. Let me see what else. Savvy Slider. A&W, Armour was open. There were a lot of stores that were open in the mall. It was a good thing for the girls to experience the events that they had planned, as well as the different stores with shopping. So I enjoyed it. The other parents that volunteered to go with us enjoyed it. It was nice. We had a really good time. But YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead on and end this video because I have to get ready to go to my nephew game. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what I'm doing, and make sure you subscribe. Follow my TikTok and Snapchat. It's Me Untouchable. You can find me on Facebook, Dr. Untouchable. Peace.
Get up, go. Now, watch your back, watch your back. What am I doing?
He open. Shoot it, Peyton.